Got a key fob out of a 2022 Honda Ridgeline. This is how you replace the battery. Flip it over, sliding switch here. Slide it over to the right, hold it down, then it unlocks the emergency key. Then once you have the emergency key out of the way, we're going to split the remote open. You can see the seam in the middle, but we're going to use this area here to pry it open. Okay, we don't want to use this area here and damage the remote. To pry it open with a screwdriver. Now you're going to want to do this with the buttons facing down, because once you open this up, everything gets loose and can fall out. So you have these 2 points right here, these 2 plastic points. I just use these just to open it up like that. All right, it's perfect for that. I put my thumb right here, hold all this together because it can fall apart again. Go at the bottom and just pop battery out. Battery size CR2032, positive sign facing out towards us. Put it in the top first, lock it in like that. If you need a battery, down in the description box there's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct battery for this key fob. Put this back together, start at the top, put the back cover on, lock it down like that. You know you have it together correctly when the emergency goes in and locks, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave me a like or a comment. And if you want to see more Honda content, please hit subscribe.